is just such a good time. This is heat number 3 right now. We got Ryan Gamble out here. I see Ryan Gamble's coming out here. He's checking something. He's got some fans up there. Architect painting, the kids painting the car along with Lone Wolf Towing and the Bank of Mom. And of course, he's got Tyler Gamble out here as well from Landa Auto Body and Shelley's The Boss. Number 30 is here. That's Dustin Hedden, the veteran himself, 38 years old. Terry's Bond and Bargain, Yorkton Toyota, and Deluxe Motorworks. Number 37, Ray Peru with that long goatee from Saskatoon. Innovative Pilot Solutions is the people that bring him to it. Darren Putra Jr. is here, the 2010 winner, number 77, and 51. 50. We're looking to try and get him out here. That's Daniel Senia from Saskatoon, and Platinum Roofing is the sponsor out there. We got to get these cars all lined up right here, right now. Thumbs are up. Are you ready to count this down with me? Are you ready? Because here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Of the minds right out there in the center of the ring. Senia coming around the outside there. Putra Jr., number 77, the lime green car. Always dangerous. But Billy Head is the one. Oh, you gotta watch out for him. Number 77 here. Dustin Head rather get the furthest mixed up out here. Trying to get himself disengaged from Mr. Gamble. Senia coming around the outside. Oh, he gets hammered right there on the rear side and slams the block. Thanks to number 30, Dustin Hedden. What a great hit that was. Senia coming hard into it. Oh, and a killing blow into the backside right there. 37 tries to do the same thing. Ray Peru looking for those axles. Here we go. Putra comes into the backside. Peru just slid that car out of the way. Looking here to see the flag drop. We've got people pinned in the corner right now. Aaron Putra Jr., winner here before. Oh, and another good shot right there.